Hi,
Very
Ritika.
glad to have you here today at the event. So I just want to know the overall review, what you have about the event. How did you feel about Peter talking and all that?
Absolutely. It was like mind blowing, right? I was like a big fan of like Peter. It was like dream come true. I was thinking about him since 2020 when I had interviewed like Naveen Jain, who is a billionaire. And I got into like learning about like abundance mindset, curiosity mindset, exponential mindset, how we can use it for organization, exponential growth and everything. This event, whatever you guys have taught him and like the global HR, it's like incredible. I truly believe like more and more people have to attend it, whether it's in Bangalore, Mumbai, or like Delhi.
First of all, thanks to GS Chassis and Machane Group to organize an event like this. I think it is an eye opener for a lot of them, and especially the kind of crowd is here, like business leaders or HR heads. I think a lot of people get insight from the event in terms of how to transform the organization. That to exponential growth is something everybody must be looking at. It could be 10x, 20x, 100x, whatever. Depends on how organizations want to take it from there. So thank you very much, GHRC, and special mention to Shrikant, Ramesh, and Nathan, along with Ritika, Shubha, and team. Wonderful event, and thanks for inviting all of us. It's a real privilege to be here. A lot of learning and insights. Thank you once again.
The event is going really great. It is very informative. Thank you so much for inviting me. That's you. Thank you.
Oh, I think it was like drinking from a fire hose. Peter's thoughts on especially the top 10 trends that he sees about the future were like pure gems. Each slide itself can be a day-long conversation. I think there's a lot to absorb, but it's fantastic to be listening to him and with a very receptive audience. I think that's what makes it more special.
It was a really different intake on how the world is progressing. It was like a zoom out picture as to where we are standing as humans overall. Exponentially, we'll see how we go, and I feel it was a lot of optimism going on in there. But let's see what future brings for us. Thanks.
Yeah, I think similar experience. What Ritik has said, that it was much beyond our expectation, and specifically about the 10 points which Peter has covered about the future. That was really interesting to know about it.
So I think like what we were really like inspired by was the vision that he has. Like generally we don't think in like of what's going to happen after 100 years, what's going to happen after 200 years, and I think that's a key takeaway to always have like a longer term vision when we like approach a business problem or anything. Thank you.
My name is Sandeep Anishetty, and I represent V2 Solutions Company. I'm into HR. So I represent HR department in our company. I'm predominantly into talent acquisition. Okay. So I'm also a member of global HR community. Oh, nice. So I've been to this through them. So I think it's a wonderful conversation, I would say, and it's completely new to me. I mean, new in the sense we talk about AI, we use AI, but the prediction of AI and what we can see in the next 10 years is absolutely, it's a incredible talk, I would say. And the how AI is getting into our lives, and how the combination of AI and how human is going to leverage AI, and how we are going to evolve in the future. It's completely insightful, I would say. So definitely I'm looking to read his books and also know much more about his company and other things, so that let me see how I can put that into the practical and how can I implement for myself. Definitely. And see how that can be useful not only for me, but people who doesn't know AI. And there are a lot of people, he spoke about villages, smart people in India, how this knowledge can be transferred to those people, and how all our generations can evolve through this talk. So that's what I'm looking forward to.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thanks.